Right. You saw the video title. The ZIG, Zimbabwe gold currency, is going to be the sole legal tender in Zimbabwe. The ZIG currency, or Zimbabwe gold, in short, is going to be the sole legal tender in Zimbabwe. This is exciting news to the people of Zimbabwe. This is a very amazing news to the residents of this country, or citizens of this country, Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe, in Southern Africa, under Southern Africa. So the IMF, International Monetary Fund, this financial body domiciled in America by the name IMF, is an abbreviation, International Monetary Fund, IMF. They gave an instruction, executive order, executive instruction to the RBZ, Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, in collaboration with the Ministry of Finance, in collaboration or in conjunction with the Ministry of Finance, that time has to come whereby your currency, your newly established, newly developed currency, Zimbabwe gold currency, or ZIG, has to be the sole legal tender within the domestic economy or national economy of Zimbabwe. So this is the video right now that I'm producing, that I've done to you right now, to say to you, people of Zimbabwe, Zimbabwean children, Zimbabwean people, citizens of this country, whether you are at home in Zimbabwe or you're abroad in other countries, this is the latest development. This is the new development that is coming your way. As long as you are a Zimbabwean, even a foreigner staying in Zimbabwe, it's going to also affect you. All transactions in the economy, in the markets, have to be done using the ZIG. So a time is coming. A time is coming very, very soon, very, very soon, whereby the IMF, International Monetary Fund, they gave an instruction to RBZ and Ministry of Finance in Zimbabwe. And you know what I mean when I say RBZ, Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. You know what I mean again when I say Ministry of Finance. You know what I mean. So they said, no, your currency, ZIG, has to be the sole legal tender as far as all these transactions, all the dealings are concerned in your country, in every buying and selling, in the retail sector, wholesale sector, in the economy, your domestic or national economy of Zimbabwe. So a time is coming, and it's very, very soon, whereby everyone will be expected or mandated to use the ZIG and do away with the US dollar, do away with the Botswana pula, do away with the South African rand, do away with every currency that we've been using, even the British pound sterling. So all these currencies are not wanted or needed according to the latest instructions or orders from the IMF, International Monetary Fund. They said, no, you have to stop using the US dollar. You have to stop using the British pound sterling. You have to stop using the Botswana pula. You have to stop again to use the South African rand. And whatever currency that Zimbabweans have been using since 2009, since the year 2009. You see, when a multi-currency system was introduced in Zimbabwe, a multi-currency system was introduced in Zimbabwe under the coalition government between President R.G. Mugabe and Morgan Tsvangirai, the Prime Minister, in that coalition government of national unity. You remember back there, the government of national unity, whereby they introduced a multi-currency system to be utilized or used in Zimbabwe. We saw the use of US dollar, pound sterling, South African rand, Botswana pula, Zambian kwacha, and a basket of other currencies. So now, in this second Zimbabwe, second republic, under Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, IMF said, no, stick to your new currency, use your new currency, utilize your newly developed currency or your newly established currency, the ZIG, and stop using the US dollar, stop using the South African rand, stop using the British pound sterling, stop using the Botswana pula. So this is the development, latest update, latest development, amazing or exciting. I don't know, is it exciting or amazing? I don't know, or maybe it's said, I don't know. I'll be waiting for your comments, your thoughts, your views, your opinions on what you think, what popped up to your mind, to your brain when I was talking, explaining about this issue, this latest update that came or that was brought forward by the IMF, in the National Monetary Fund, as far as the Zimbabwean economy is concerned, as far as the Zimbabwean markets or Zimbabwean everything is concerned, whereby citizens or people in Zimbabwe, residents of Zimbabwe, they have to use only the ZIG currency. They have to trust, they have to put all their faith, all their belief in the capabilities that are enshrined in the ZIG, in the ZIG currency, in the ZIG currency. What are your thoughts? What are your opinions? Drop type in the comments box, comment section. I'm done talking. Peace out.